To all my viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to economics.com 0.2. If you are new here, please subscribe for upcoming interesting lecture. If you are old one, please like and leave the comments. Ready to simplify the economics? In today's lectures, we will explore the consumption function in a way that is easy to understand and predictable to apply. Stay with me because at the end of this video lecture, you will see how understanding this equation can predict spending behavior in an economy. What is consumption function? C is equal to function of income. Consumption function is an economic formula that describes how household change with its income. It's also known as a Keynesian consumption functions. What does the consumption function show? The consumption function shows how much income, how much money household spends compared to its income. It shows that the consumption increase as increase in their income, creating linear relationship between increase in consumption, increase in income. That's a linear relationship between these two, consumption and income. It shows that the lower income household tends to spend more as a percentage of their income. It shows that the higher income household tends to spend less as a percentage of their income, but spend overall. What factor affects the consumption functions? Income, wealth, expectation about future income, wealth, interest rate, wage, education, family size, consumption preference, risk, tolerance, bequests. The following diagram shows the consumption function equation where it's a C is equal to C naught plus Cy. C is equal to consumption function, C naught denoted autonomous consumption function, and small c is a slope, Y is income. The consumption functions equation is C is equal to C naught plus small c leads to Y. C is denoted as a consumption function, C naught denoted as an autonomous consumption function, small c is slope of MPC. As we know, MPC marginal propensity to consume. Marginal means additional. Propensity to consume is a slope, is change in consumption divided by change in income. There are different cases in this consumption function. Since first is income is increases, consumption is also increases. Income is decreases. In second case, consumption is also decreases and slope of consumption is increases. Marginal propensity to consume is increases, leads to consumption function that is denoted as a slope of marginal propensity to consume. And last thing is how is the consumption function is used. All of this in practical way. Economists and policymakers use the consumption function to make decision about the investment, monetary policy and fiscal policy. It's valuable tools to under this. It's a valuable tools to, these are all cases are valuable tools to understand the economic cycle.